Here's my Chainsaw Man character tier list. So yeah, Denji, yeah, he gets that tier. Yeah, decent for Eki. No question there for them too. Yeah, from Shinja that I have not seen. Yeah, that it takes a little bit because my iPad kind of sucks, but I'm happy for it. His dog is goated. Since she tried to kill Denji, yeah, she gets that place. Yeah. Yeah, I have not seen. I'm pretty sure I've seen them. Maybe I've seen them putting them there. Have not seen. I'm on that episode. Have not seen. Have not seen. This man, I don't think I've seen them, so I'm just gonna put them there. Have not seen. That goofy thing from the first episode. That gets that because it looks funny looking. That thing gets too because it's funny looking. That demon, because it's an animal and I like it. Have not seen. It looks like Makima, so yep. There, the last two. Yep, there's my tier list, guys. Peace.